This is the final video to solve PS Remote Play crashing on Windows. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve PS Remote Play crashing on Windows, and I am going to share them with you. The first method involves updating your network adapter drivers. When PS Remote Play streams your gameplay, it relies heavily on stable network communication. Outdated drivers can introduce packet loss or latency issues, causing the connection to drop and the application to crash. Updating them ensures optimal data transfer. Next, we'll look at disabling your firewall and antivirus temporarily. These security programs can sometimes misidentify legitimate application processes as threats, leading them to block or terminate PS Remote Play. By temporarily disabling them, we can rule this out as the cause. Our third approach is to verify the integrity of the PS Remote Play application files. Corrupted or missing files within the installation can directly lead to application instability and unexpected shutdowns. This process checks for and repairs any damaged components. Finally, we will adjust your Windows power settings to high performance. Inconsistent power delivery to your hardware, especially the network card or CPU, can cause performance dips that trigger crashes during demanding operations like game streaming. High performance mode ensures your system components receive adequate power consistently.